Creatine is one of the most popular and studied supplements in the fitness world, but to truly benefit from its effects, it's important to know how to use it correctly. In this video, we'll take a practical and technical approach to maximizing the results with creatine, covering everything from timing to the different types available. Whether you're an athlete or an advanced exercise enthusiast, stay with me until the end because this content is for those looking to optimize performance and reach a new level of results. Introduction to creatine and its main benefits. Creatine is a natural compound found in the human body and in some foods like meat and fish. It is widely used by athletes because of its positive impact on performance, especially in activities requiring explosiveness and strength, such as weightlifting, sprints, and high-intensity sports. In addition to boosting strength, creatine also contributes to increased lean muscle mass and improves recovery post-exercise. However, to maximize these benefits, the way it's used is crucial. Next, let's understand how timing, dosage, and the type of creatine can directly influence your results. When to take creatine for maximum benefits. The timing of creatine intake can be key to its effects. Many people wonder when the best time to take creatine is. The truth is, you can take creatine either before or after a workout, but recent studies suggest that taking it post-workout might be even more beneficial. This is because, after exercise, your body is more receptive to nutrients, and creatine can be absorbed more efficiently, especially when combined with carbohydrates and proteins. Another effective strategy is to take creatine consistently throughout the day. Taking it at regular intervals, like in the morning or before bed, can help maintain stable creatine levels in the body, which is essential for consistent long-term results. While creatine has an accumulative effect, the right timing can optimize how it is used by your body, making it more effective for enhancing performance and recovery. Now that you understand the timing, let's talk about the ideal creatine dosage to get the best results. Dosage. What is the ideal amount of creatine? A common question among exercise practitioners is about the ideal creatine dosage. The appropriate amount of creatine can vary from person to person, but the general recommendation is 3 to 5 grams per day for maintenance. For beginners or those looking to quickly boost creatine stores in the body, a saturation phase can be done during the first 5 to 7 days, consuming about 20 grams per day, divided into 4 doses of 5 grams. After this phase, the maintenance dose is kept around 3 to 5 grams per day. It's important to note that more creatine does not mean better results. The body has a limit to how much it can absorb, and very high doses can cause discomfort, such as bloating and water retention. Additionally, creatine should be taken with plenty of water, as it draws water into muscle cells, increasing the risk of dehydration. Now that we've covered timing and dosage, it's time to explore the different types of creatine available on the market and understand which one is best for you. Types of creatine. What's the best option for you? There are various types of creatine on the market, but the most studied and effective is creatine monohydrate. It is the simplest form and has long been considered the best option due to its cost-effectiveness and efficiency. Creatine monohydrate helps increase cellular energy, improves strength, and speeds up muscle recovery. Although it is the most popular, it can cause water retention in some people, which can be inconvenient for those who want to avoid this effect. Another common option is micronized creatine, which is a version of creatine monohydrate with smaller particles, making it easier for the body to absorb and reducing the risk of digestive discomfort. Additionally, there are other variations of creatine, such as creatine HCl, hydrochloride, which is more soluble in water and might be a good option for those who have issues with water retention. Each type of creatine has its specific features, but overall, monohydrate remains the most effective for the majority of users. The choice of type depends on your personal preferences and specific needs. Now that we know which creatine to choose, let's explore how to integrate creatine into your training routine to optimize results. Integrating creatine into your training routine. Integrating creatine into your training routine doesn't just mean taking it before or after exercise. The best way to use it is with a well-structured training strategy. Creatine is most effective in exercises that involve strength and explosiveness, like weightlifting, sprints, and high-intensity workouts. Therefore, Your intake should be combined with these types of exercises to maximize benefits. Additionally, creatine can be combined with other supplements to enhance its effects. For example, taking it with a post-workout protein shake can optimize recovery and increase muscle gains. The key is to ensure that you are doing exercises that challenge your muscles to grow and adapt, as creatine will help in this process. Remember that for long-term results, consistency is key. Creatine should be incorporated into your training and nutrition regimen on a continuous basis. If you commit to following these practices correctly, you will soon see improvements in your performance and muscle mass. Maximizing the benefits of creatine. Now that you know the details about timing, dosage, and types of creatine, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Creatine is an excellent tool for improving physical performance, boosting strength, and speeding up muscle recovery. But to get the best results, you must use it properly. Keep in mind that each body reacts differently, so try different strategies and see what works best for you. Be consistent, follow a good training and nutrition routine, and creatine will be a great ally in your fitness journey. If you like this content and are ready to maximize your results with creatine, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tips. Comment below if you already use creatine or if you have any questions on the subject. I'd love to help. And remember, the secret to success is consistency. So keep pushing toward your goals, and I'll see you in the next video.